What is autogenic training? If you're looking for a way to relax and reduce stress, you might have come across the term autogenic training. But what exactly is it, and how can it help you? Autogenic training, or AT, is a relaxation technique developed by German psychiatrist Johannes Heinrich Schultz back in the 1920s. The term autogenic means self-generating or produced from within, which is exactly what this technique is all about, using your mind to relax your body. Schultz was inspired by the work of Oscar Vogt, who studied sleep and hypnosis. He noticed that during hypnotic trances, patients often reported feelings of heaviness and warmth in their limbs, signs of deep relaxation. Schultz decided to reverse this idea, creating a method where you suggest these feelings to yourself to achieve relaxation. Here's how it works. You use verbal cues to tell your body to relax. These cues focus on different parts of your body, helping you feel warm, heavy, and relaxed. For example, you might repeat phrases like, "My arms are heavy and warm," or "My heartbeat is slow and relaxed." This process helps your body respond to these commands, leading to a state of deep relaxation and emotional calm. Autogenic training consists of 6 standard exercises that you can practice while sitting comfortably or lying down. Each exercise targets a different area of your body, such as your muscles, legs, arms, heartbeat, breathing, and abdomen. There's also a cool sensation in the forehead that you might focus on. To practice AT, you need to commit to regular sessions. It typically takes 4 to 6 months to master all 6 exercises, and you should practice each one several times a day. You can learn these exercises from an instructor or on your own, but working with a licensed professional can be very helpful. The technique is often compared to self-hypnosis and biofeedback because it allows you to influence body reactions that are usually beyond your control, like blood pressure and body temperature. It's used to relieve stress, manage anxiety, improve sleep, reduce pain, and even help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, high blood pressure, and depression. In practice, you'll find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and repeat the calming phrases. Each session usually lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. It's recommended to practice at least once a day, and some people find it helpful to do it at bedtime to achieve a calm and relaxed state. Autogenic training is not just a quick fix, it requires motivation and commitment. However, for those who stick with it, the benefits can be significant. It's a low-cost, medication-free way to improve your overall well-being and quality of life. So if you're looking for a natural way to manage stress and improve your health, autogenic training might be just what you need. Give it a try, and you might find that it becomes a valuable tool in your journey to better health and relaxation.